nothing edit last night. So let's go to the messages since I'm lying in the video 2 years ago. I sent him 2:26 today
at 2:26
a.m. I'll come tomorrow. I have work. I'm tired. Yeah. There you go. Every time I try to help you, it's like I'm still in the wrong. Right? Okay. The video is not... Yeah, let's play the video too. From the hotel?
Yeah.
Like 25 minutes.
And wait. Come back.
You miss me?
Yes. Stupid ass punk.
I'm a punk.
Yeah.
So you not mad at me?
I am mad, but I still miss you.
Okay, let's pause it. He said he was tricking you girls to get information for evidence. Let's go to the messages.
That's all planned. Like,
damn, I can't even go on my phone.
you
Fuck.
on your phone. This is all you sent me.
Okay, so hold on.
You said what was the whole plan? For
The whole plan.
Video for his wife.
The whole plan was to tell his wife he was getting blackmailed. He was getting blackmailed.
It was crazy.
It was so crazy. Okay, so he wanted my best friend to tell him to act like basically play it out and say
I leaked the videos and
she leaked the videos to Shani
and you guys, the deal was y'all never like y'all didn't. He was trying to tell you, oh, we don't talk no more. Like it's been a while and shit like that. He was like, said too. We was talking the other day. He was like, no, you're not supposed to say that because he was recording. Remember?
Yes. So I fucked up. If Shani was recording, you wouldn't hear it if she posted. But I fucked up and said, yes, I spoke to him. He was just asking, like, how the videos got linked, basically. That's what I told Shani.
He had the whole video on his phone. Like, it was all act.
It was all an act. But, you know, he gonna say, oh, the video is 2 years ago, da-da-da. But the video say May 2022. Or
you
May
know
something.
About the fly out. He was supposed to fly you out.
Everything true. Everything when he was supposed to fly me out. So now he on TikTok. I wish I could go live on TikTok. If somebody can tell me why I can't go live on TikTok, let me know. But yeah, the nigga is lying. Now he on TikTok lying.
Saying that was a long time ago. That's 2 years ago. And we bringing up old stuff.
Yeah, and this is his style. Yeah, this is his style, yo. That's his routine. Oh,
y'all want the address for the hotel?
Y'all want the address for the hotel too? This is how he work. He gonna fix the home first, and then he be like, I'm gonna fix around the home second.
That was supposed to be the plan.
And he worry about his image too. He worry about the image, but he mostly want to fix with the wife first, and then he want to worry about the image.
Chrissy, we good. Like,
yes, if we convince Chrissy, it was really a blackmail situation. If we convince Chrissy the video was old and it was a blackmail situation, she gonna believe and take me back.
Yeah.
And once she take me back, I'm gonna worry about around the situation in the image. That's how it go.
That's how it went. Nothing else.
Nothing else. That's how it went. But let me read your questions. Fuck, I need my Instagram on here. I need to answer your questions because y'all did tell me to answer your questions. I should have screenshot them and sent it to you, bro. Yo. And then y'all was like, oh, why did you did it for over the 1500? No, it was not over the 1500. I seen the situation. It would mainly happen at the beginning. I've been talking to the niggas for so long. I could have been exposed him. I could have been. That's why he's so comfortable with me taking video and everything, because I've been talking to him for 2 years. Not the picture videos was 2 years ago. 2 years plus this year. So that's 3 years. 3. Yeah, so yeah, I could have been exposed to him. It wasn't about no fucking money. It wasn't about the money. It was just that Shiny came out when Shiny came out, and I thought I was the only one. I was like, wow, that's fucked up, because and now I see I'm getting taken advantage of. You manipulating me thinking I'm the only female, but I'm really not. So that's what pissed me off. I got mad about that. And I've been letting him know I was going to expose him. And I told him. He knew that. Now we here. Oh, okay. Okay, so... Okay, so me and CMR, we met. Me and CMR met at the club. Like I said, next level. You guys want the address for that? Like, fuck. We met at next level.
Oh shit. I have videos on my old phone at that night for that night.
We got. Oh, I still have videos too. On Snap.
Phone?
Yes, on Snap. But mostly I have the evidence on here. But yes, so.
Wait, damn, I was gonna say just get off live and get it and screenshot and send it to my phone.
Bro, I think I'm gonna have to make a YouTube video or go on TikTok live. I don't know, but I could show y'all the receipts if I just could get off live and show y'all the receipts. But I'm gonna show y'all the receipts because I got all the receipts, yo. So we met at next level. After next level, it started from there. We built a bond. He picked me up for work one time. We built a bond. That's it. When I got comfortable with him, I showed him. He met my best friend, and my best friend's Jamaican. Mind you, I am Haitian. I'm not in the Jamaican media like that. So my best friend didn't know him either. But when we pulled up on her auntie.
Okay, it's been pausing. They can hear you.
Hold
on, let me see.
Was you dating for over the 1500? Did you love him? I did love him. Because I was talking to him for 2 years and I didn't expose him for 2 years. I could go back from when we first met and show y'all the dates when the first video I made with him. It's gonna show 2 years ago. It's gonna show 2 years ago.
They said Haiti have Wi-Fi.
Where's the proof he got you pregnant? I think my best
shit. Oh, what that proof? Oh, you can swipe up. Can you swipe up? Come back. I think.
Hold on, I was trying to get the receipt so I could send it to my best friend phone, but I sent it to you.
You didn't send it.
Send it to you, bro. Oh, you forgot.
You didn't. Just don't.
Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all the proof where I was pregnant and I was in the hospital. I'm gonna show y'all the proof. Okay, so 2 years you don't know he got a wife. Like I said,
at the beginning.
When I first started talking to him, I did not know he had a wife until my best friend auntie let me know. Like I said,
I didn't even meet the nigga. I didn't even know they was talking. After that party night, I was even drunk my damn self. Like,
and y'all gonna see the proof. It's not that serious. Like I said. Okay, what made you stay even though you found out that he was married? The bond, our connection.
People so as fuck.
Bro, like
talk your shit though. That's dumb.
What else made me find out?
This man put us through hell and back.
Somebody said you don't have no heart.
You don't, bitch.
Bro, I'm not even like.
She don't, y'all.
Let me see. Hold on. We love each other. Obviously.
Show your scar. You can show the scar too.
Let me show you my scar. This is proof. I lost my fallopian tube. Literally. I lost it. I only have one. Who said, bro, you cap? Why is Buddy? You remember Buddy?
Yeah, I know him.
Talking about you capping on my life. Not a question, but why the fuck are you guys doing this to him? Y'all just upset he's trying to be a better man for his family. How he's trying to be a better man for his family if he can continue to cheat on her? How the fuck do you get exposed cheating on your wife and you still cheating on her? And you trying to that's trying to better your family? Let me know.
He said no, I don't want to leave.
And that when I told this man I'm leaving the hotel last night, I don't want you to leave. You called me last night. I miss you. What? I wanted to tell you I miss you. I wanted you to come back. But, like, come on now. Make it make sense. Damn. Are y'all being dumb on purpose or y'all dead ass? Did you say he fucked your friend too? No, he did not fuck my friend. I do not play like that. What both of you getting out of all of this besides embarrassment? Come on, both of you, stop. I just want basically for this nigga to stop, because that shit is sick. That shit is sick as fuck. You, bitch, I thought I was enough. I wasn't enough, so you went to go find you want to go find Shani, and then, come on now. That's sick. I feel like that's sick. It need to be known. Why was he at the hotel? Did Chrissy put him out? He was at the...
I don't fucking know.
I don't know if Chrissy put him out, but this nigga, once he seen that this shit got linked, he drove all the way from Orlando.
Figure out something. That was it. We gotta figure something out.
He called me. We gotta figure out something, and he drove here. Get it? Get it? Okay. What's another one? Okay, why now you choose to come out? Why didn't you come out when Shani come out? I wasn't ready. For when I was scared, I wasn't ready to. But then I got the courage. Let me ask good questions. Let me answer the good one then. Okay, what happened? And then what he was saying at the hotel too. Okay, so what happened to the baby that you was going to have? They took it out. What kind of car CMR drive? Why you came out and exposed the man? Why did you decide to come? Love your son. Guys, hold on. I'm looking to answer some more. Was your relationship during Shani or after all the pasa? My relationship was before Shani. Before CMR knew Shani, I was talking to CMR. That was my relationship. What's another one?
That's why they saw the screenshot, right? When he was like, "It's a prank, babe."
When they seen a screenshot?
Yeah, when you found out when.
Oh yeah, when I found out about the him and Shani. When I found out about him and Shani, and I texted him and I was like, I hope you didn't fuck her raw and you come fuck me, because I was still fucking him. And then that's when he was like, babe, it's a prank. Same shit he would tell his wife, that's what he telling me. So there you go. What's another one? Y'all going to... but yeah. The nigga even take me and my best friend out of our apartment, yo, to go stay with him. Like, I'm the happy home. Like, over here is the happy life. Just to let y'all know, like, I want to show my pregnancy too. I have the video. So, yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, some dumb questions.
Yeah, they're just straight dumb. It's just straight dumb questions, yo. But yeah, I lost the baby. Yeah. I want to show y'all the evidence now.
What they said about live? For you to go on live.
Oh yeah, what about the live? Because I want to go on live because it would be better so I can show my evidence on TikTok live. Wait, so did you pregnant for him? Yes, I was pregnant for him. I lost the baby. And I took a plan B. That's how I lost it, because the baby got stuck in my fallopian tube. Yeah. I didn't want to have a baby. I didn't abort it. I lost the baby. But why would I want to have a baby by a married man? Like, come on now, be fucking for real.
Dumb, but not that dumb.
I'm dumb, but I'm not that dumb. Nah, for real. So, yeah, I have followers to go on TikTok, but it's not working. Like, it's not letting me go on live, so I don't know why. It's not letting me. So... And I don't want to hurt her feelings or nothing, but I feel like she need to know. Like, I feel like I don't want to hurt Chrissy feelings, but when she took back CMR, when she found out about Shani, I was like, yo, and I'm still talking to this nigga. This nigga's still talking to me like nothing ever happened. Like,
I mean, at least you try to tell her to leave you alone.
No prank ever exposed. And I would tell...
At least you did that.
And I would tell her, like, I would tell him, like, I'm done talking to you, da-da-da. He was like, no. I was like, I'm blocking you. He was like, you're not fucking blocking me. Don't block me. You haven't unblocked the... Why do you not record while you in the hotel room? Guys, we wanted to record in the hotel room.
Like, it was supposed. That was the thing, though. We getting paid.
Bro.
Like, he talking about, we finna.
He was gonna pay my best friend $20K to help him to convince his wife.
He talking about, like, he got the whole. There was a recording. He got it.
He got the recording. He got us. It's a recording. He has the recording. He sent me the recording. I have the recording. He sent it to me.
No, but not the part when we was like talking.
I forgot he sent it to me.
Not the part that we was talking about, like helping him. He just
okay, somebody said Plan B is to prevent the baby, right? So what time in the pregnancy you took the Plan B? I took the Plan B probably when I was like a month or less than a month, like. When a baby was forming in your tube, when the baby was forming in your, not in your tube, but I don't know. I took the Plan B when a baby was forming, like coming into my vagina basically, and it's stuck. You ever heard of ectopic pregnancy? Go search it up. They asked why'd you, okay, yeah. So yeah, he did record it, but in the hotel he did record it, but yeah. And plus
after that we was like, we just done, like we don't want to be in it no more, because like it just reached at a certain point you calling people for the other girl, you feel me?
Somebody said the Plan B don't work like that. Come here.
It's not that recording, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's just bro, look,
search it up so you can show them.
Oh, you talking about that?
Yeah.
I thought you talking about the recording. I'm like, we don't have it. We didn't.
The recording, I do have.
We just have the message. You have the recording of the what was supposed to show the wife. That's it.
Oh yeah, he sent me the recording of what I'm supposed to show.
I have a headache.
What I'm supposed to show the wife.
That's why I keep telling you. He's gonna edit it. He's not good. He's not that dumb.
Okay, you see? So let me show y'all. I took a Plan B and the baby stopped here. You see the little baby? You see it, right? Okay. So my baby was forming outside of my uterus. This is the uterus, and my baby was forming outside, okay? You get it? You get it? I don't know, but it was forming so big they had to cut my whole tube. That's what I'm saying. So the baby was probably a month. That's what I'm saying. You get it? The Plan B.
They still don't get it?
Girl, they fucking retarded.
Oh my God, bro.
Hold on. The Plan B stopped my baby right here. That's what I'm saying. It's not that hard to understand. Yes, y'all need to go to fucking school. Y'all in school now. Fuck. Alright, anyways. Yo! What's another one?
You understand what they say? It's typing in Pato. You understand?
No, not really.
You trying to understand?
No, most of them type in English for me.
She don't understand, guys. I gotta talk proper English.
This nigga said, Bro.
You just have to make a YouTube video, and get all your evidence, and yeah, that's it.
Somebody said, Mama's dash with the belly, and come I talk about plan B.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta make a YouTube and just...
I'm gonna just make a YouTube video and explain it correctly, because, bro, I feel like it was an ectopic pregnancy because of the plan B. I never got pregnant before. Christian was the only nigga that ever got me pregnant. So I just feel like when I took the plan B, it stuck the baby. I was already pregnant, and then I stuck the baby. That's just how I feel. Yeah.
They still not responding by the TikTok?
The TikTok, can y'all still nobody didn't tell me. We want to see the doctor paperwork. Y'all will!
So can
Can y'all help me fix the TikTok so I can show y'all receipts? Like, damn! Oh my god! I'm getting frustrated. Y'all want proof? Help me fix my TikTok, and I'm gonna show y'all all the proof y'all need. I'm about to make a YouTube video. I'm about to at this point, so I can just pull up all the receipts. And then when I pull up all my receipts, one person say it's a lie, I'm done. I'm never talking about this shit again.
You gonna get
I'm done.
You gonna get that. So just be done at this point.
I got discharge paperwork. I got videos of me in the hospital, babe. I have scars. Literally have scars, yo. I have scars on my belly. Like, come on now. I got 3 scars. Come on now.
Tell her to text me, because she not text me. I'm gonna ask her when she want to come.
I'm dead. I'm 20. I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. Yeah.
You still want to go out?
Yeah. You wanna go out somewhere?
Yeah. Still go to
Give me like 3 edibles. I don't know why TikTok don't rate me, yo. TikTok don't rate me. I took TikTok, I asked them, so I don't know. I refreshed my TikTok like 3 times. Come with you?
Huh? No, you good.
They can see it's a real profile. They can. Yeah, this is sad as fuck. I agree. Very sad. I just feel like this should help her. This should help her know her husband is sick as fuck, is sad as fuck. Because even after you got exposed, you still didn't leave me alone. So therefore, yeah, it is sick as fuck. It is sick. It's very sick as fuck. I agree. I can't show receipts here. I don't even know if I can share my screen. I can't. But I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna either go on TikTok or make a YouTube video, because I want to show my receipts. Yeah. Like, the nigga manipulated me. I really thought, I was like, when I say Shani, I was like, oh, I'm not the only one. I'm not. You can. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Why now? Because it's really because you going too far by getting another side. It's a side chick. You're going too far. Like, it was not a year. It was 2 years. I really loved him. Like, I really fucked with him. That's why I didn't expose him. I could have been exposed him. All those videos we have together, I could have really posted them. Post them. Why I didn't do it? It's common sense. It's very common sense. And then you went to go get another side chick? For what? For what? You're weird. You're weird as fuck, yo. That's weird to me. Very. That's crazy. I was 18. Yes, I was 18. Yes. And like I said, I did not know. Oh, I did not want to be the wife. I was trying to leave. Every time I be like, I'm done talking to you. Oh my God. Every time I say I'm done talking to him, I keep repeating the same shit over. Every time I say I'm leaving you alone, I don't want to do this no more. This is wrong. This is sick. Da. Weird, sad as fuck. Don't block me. Don't do this. I would feel bad. And plus, I really like him too. So yeah. I don't. Okay, he's not leaving his wife. Okay, he wasn't leaving his wife when we was talking. Okay, like I understand that. I don't want to like. I don't want to be a wife. I don't want to take her place. Like, come on now. Come on now. I'm gonna show my receipts though. I'm gonna show my receipts. Like, were you homeless? The nigga made me homeless. Just to be with him. Just so he can keep me close. Yeah. I'm gonna show receipts if I can go live on TikTok. If I can go live on TikTok, I'm gonna show receipts. If I can share my screen, I could have do it. And first of all, I am not homeless. I went out my apartment for him. Wait, let me see. I seen Christy in person at my B&B. Christy was outside my B&B. Let me see something.